As businesses grow, managing finances becomes more complex. Tracking income, expenses, invoices, and payments manually can quickly lead to confusion and missed details. When numbers live in spreadsheets, emails, and notebooks, decisions slow down and mistakes multiply, things can get messy fast. That's why many growing businesses turn to QuickBooks. In this video, we will explore why businesses turn to one tool to bring order to financial chaos. QuickBooks is an accounting software designed to help businesses manage their finances easily and efficiently. It connects multiple users and prepares financial reports, all from one central platform. QuickBooks shifts money from being a source of stress into something businesses can trust, control, and plan around with confidence. Seamless team collaboration. QuickBooks allows finance, operations, and leadership to work from the same financial reality. Everyone views the same figures, removing conflicting versions of data and misaligned understanding. Conversations shift from debating numbers to solving problems with teams move faster, communicate clearly, and act with shared confidence because everyone is grounded in the same financial picture. Simplifying everyday financial tasks. QuickBooks makes everyday financial tasks much easier. Instead of manually tracking income, expenses, and invoices, everything is handled in one place. This reduces friction in daily operations and keeps financial work structured without becoming overwhelming. The system provides clear, guided steps, making routine finance work feel manageable even in busy environments. Better visibility and financial control. QuickBooks gives a clear, real-time view of cash flow, unpaid invoices, and upcoming expenses. This means business owners always know where they stand financially and can make smarter decisions with confidence. There's no need to wait for month-end reports to understand performance. Everything is visible instantly, which helps prevent surprises. Supporting growth without added complexity. Many tools work fine at the beginning, but become difficult to manage as the business expands. QuickBooks is built to grow along with the business. Whether there are more customers, transactions, or team members, the system adapts smoothly without adding unnecessary complexity. Businesses can expand capabilities as needed instead of switching platforms. This makes growth feel more controlled and less disruptive. Strengthening leadership, focus, and clarity. When financial information is organized and reliable, leadership gains mental clarity. Attention shifts from firefighting numbers to shaping direction and strategy. Decisions become calmer, more deliberate, and grounded in reality. This clarity allows leaders to think forward instead of reacting under pressure. Financial clarity changes how a business thinks, plans, and grows. When numbers become reliable, every decision gains strength and direction. QuickBooks helps turn uncertainty into confidence and momentum into control. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.